this will be the last round of, I guess, a series of 4 soaps that I've been doing for the May challenge, where I've done the same fragrance for 2 loaves in the same colors. So this one is going to be using Star Showers from Nurture Soap, and this one is Well Behaved. I used this as a tester batch a while ago, and if I remember correctly, it behaved super well, and it was actually like almost too fluid, so it will be great in the gradient pour that I'm going to do right now. Hopefully it won't be too fluid once I get to the actual Oasis Swirl soap that I'll do in the next video. The colors I'm going to use 1 extra color this time. So actually 2 extra colors. So I have gold, green. Let's see, the gold is Shimmering Light Gold from Crafter's Choice. I've got Kermit Green from Brambleberry, Amethyst from Brambleberry, this is Caribbean Blue from Brambleberry, Activated Charcoal from Essential Depot, and then I have some of this Potent Purple Mica from Nurture. And this one, it morphs in cold process, but I'm going to be using it as an oil drizzle. And then I have 3 star embeds, just little stars I'm going to put in there. So this one's going to be the ombre gradient pour. This one's going to be the gradient pour, and I'm going to start with kind of the colors of the rainbow. I'm going to go from the white to the gold, green, wrong order, blue, purple, black, and then I'm going to put the stars kind of in an opposite order. So I'll put the stars in where the colors aren't that color. So let's go ahead and get started. I have everything sorted out. Okay, let's see how this behaves. this one open. Look at that top, isn't that pretty? And you can see on the side, you can see those little lines of the purple from the oil and mica right in there. I think it's gonna be really pretty. So the batter did thicken up a little bit, but I think it'll still look okay, and hopefully those stars will show through. So let's go ahead and cut this.